Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this cute heart bow keychain. It's perfect for decorating your bag, keys, or as a lovely handmade gift. For this project, please prepare 2.5 millimeters yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, a stitch marker, scissors, and some fiber fill if you want a soft shape. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more cute crochet ideas. And please watch until the end. Your support truly motivates us to create more tutorials. For round 1, make a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring, then slip stitch to close. Tip: keep your stitches relaxed for a smooth circle. Great start. Next, round 2, chain 1, make 6 increases, then slip stitch. You should now have 12 stitches. Tip: place a marker if it helps you count. You're doing amazing. For round 3, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. Slip stitch to finish. Tip: this round shapes the heart nicely, so keep even tension. Now, rounds 4 and 5, chain 1 and crochet 18 single crochets evenly around. Slip stitch at the end of each round. Tip: count your stitches carefully to keep the shape symmetrical. Now round 6, join the 2 heart pieces together, crochet 36 single crochets around both hearts, then slip stitch. Tip: align the hearts carefully for a symmetrical look. This step is very important. For round 7, chain 1 and make 37 single crochets, then slip stitch. Tip: crochet slowly here to keep the edge neat. You're doing beautifully. Round 8, chain 1, crochet 7 single crochets, then 2 decreases, 14 single crochets, 2 decreases, and 7 single crochets. Slip stitch. Tip: decreases create the heart curve, don't rush. Round 9, chain 1 and crochet 32 single crochets, then slip stitch. Keep your stitches snug so the heart stays firm. Next, round 10, chain 1, 6 single crochets, 2 decreases, 12 single crochets, 2 decreases, 6 single crochets, then slip stitch. Tip: stuff lightly if needed before it gets too small. Round 11, chain 1, 5 single crochets, 2 decreases, 10 single crochets, 2 decreases, 5 single crochets, slip stitch. Tip: gently shape the heart with your fingers. For round 12, chain 1, 4 single crochets, 2 decreases, 8 single crochets, 2 decreases, 4 single crochets, slip stitch. Tip: you're almost there, keep going. Round 13, chain 1, 3 single crochets, 2 decreases, 6 single crochets, 2 decreases, 3 single crochets, slip stitch. Tip: smaller rounds need patience. Great job. Round 14, chain 1, 2 single crochets, 2 decreases, 4 single crochets, 2 decreases, 2 single crochets, slip stitch. Tip: tight stitches help the heart hold its shape. For round 15, chain 1, 1 single crochet, 2 decreases, 2 single crochets, 2 decreases, 1 single crochet, slip stitch. Tip: add more stuffing now if needed. Final round, chain 1 and make 4 decreases, then slip stitch to close. Tip: pull the yarn gently to close the opening neatly. Congratulations, the heart is finished. And that's it. Your crochet heart bow keychain is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and felt relaxed while crocheting. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. Watching the full video and leaving a comment really helps me stay motivated to make more crochet tutorials for you. Thank you so much for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!